In this video, I'm going to explain you about a very simple yet effective automation which is called as simplified table maintenance. Many of the times we either might end up providing access to SM30 transaction code to maintain tables or provide access to various firefighter IDs to maintain the tables because it leaves the audit trail. And it is important for the business users as well as sometimes the technical users to maintain data in the standard of the custom tables. But the problem is the standard maintenance options will only allow you to perform all the activities. It basically gives you create, update, read and delete activities. Unfortunately, your standard table disk or table name doesn't give you an option to restrict authorization on all or any of these activities, because all you can give is 02 and 03 activity for that particular table or the table group. So the alternative what we have is to create a custom T code with a table maintenance generator and provide whatever activities that you want to provide to the user, which is a time consuming activity because your ABAPers have to spend a lot of time in creating the screens and then providing all the relevant options to your users. In addition, this also leads to further maintenance of your issue 24 check proposals, the roles, etc. So what we did basically is we created a unified interface for admins and users where you can provide access to any of the tables in your SAP landscape with the relevant restrictions. Means on a specific table, if you want to only create new record, you can only give that activity. So it supports all the activities such as create, maintain or update, delete, display, download, upload and all this. So even your data cannot be downloaded when you say that download is not allowed. And even when you are assigning this authorization with firefighter IDs, it is pretty easy to maintain, which means when you give a firefighter ID to your finance users, they will be only able to maintain the finance related tables that you can specify that okay, these are the users or this particular user can have access to only these IDs or these particular tables, or requires only 2 hours of time for us to implement. And we deployed it for one of the customers who have got 100 plus, or I would say hundreds of custom tables, wherein we deploy this solution and made the entire SAP system as foolproof and 100% audit ready with respect to the table maintenance. So let's get into the system and then see what is that it can do. So this is the program that we have developed, or I would say solution that we have developed. So what you need to do is you just need to add all the tables. So there are 2 different options. The configuration is only available for the admins, which can be completely restricted through authorization object, and the tables is the general users. So what you need to do is you just need to go to maintain tables. Now if you see, we have maintained 2 tables here. On one of the table, we provided new change, upload and download options. On the second table, we have provided only change, delete, upload and download option. What I need to do is I just need to go to maintain users, click on new, give the table name and the username. Okay, so I'm assigning it myself and then say save. Now you can see that this table access is assigned to Raghu, and you can see the table under the tables tab. Now when I click, what I have is I don't have authorization to create new records here, but I have authorization to change, delete, upload and download. So similar way, if I want to give any additional access, I can do that. So this can be user specific as well, wherein you can maintain the user IDs here itself and then provide the relevant access as required for that respective user or group of users. So what I'm doing now is I'm creating a new entry. I'm adding a table called USR40, wherein I'm giving authorization to only add new records. This user will not be able to perform any other activities. So let's see, save. So on the USR40 now I assign to one of my user, or let me assign it myself. So I'm giving USR40 and then username is Raghu. So save. Now you can see this table added under my table list, table for illegal passwords. So I can maintain here. So if you see the existing record, I cannot delete it. Rather what I can do is I can only maintain passwords here, the illegal passwords. So when I save the data, I'll not be able to maintain anything. So if I click on change, it doesn't even give me an option to change anything. So all these buttons are either grayed out or will not have any other action on it. So I'll not be able to change anything. I'll not be able to delete these records. And that is how I can maintain the complete access on these particular tables. So if you wish to implement similar solutions, please connect to us on sales@togglenow.com or visit us at www.togglenow.com. Thank you.